Alright everyone, so till now we have completed this part. Now we have to target the links or basically the anchors. So this is the class name item links. So we can just go there simply, and inside this item we can target that link class. So this will be links. Now here first thing we have to give color. So the color will be the main color that we'll be using, and we'll give text decoration as none. There shouldn't be any underline, and also let's give a padding of 0.5 rem and 1 rem, and I think that's it. If I just save the changes and we'll go back, and we'll see that now this looks nice. All right, now next thing what we have to do, basically if you notice on each and every li there is a margin, right? But for the last li we have to give margin as 0. And to do that, what we can do, basically this is the class name of that li item. So we can just come here and we can do item dot last child colon last child, and we'll make it as margin will be 0 px. That's it. If I just save this, and you'll see that for each and every li there is margin, right? But for the last there is no margin. That's correct. Now the next step is that, as we already discussed, this icon will be only visible for the mobile devices, and for desktop it should be hidden. So we can just copy this class name, and we'll go back, and what we can do, simply directly just take this class name and we'll make it display as none for desktop devices. And if I just save this, and we'll see that we are now not getting that icon in desktop. Now this is all about the desktop styles. Now we have to work on the media query. So let's do that. So for that we have to just write here @media only screen, and we have to target the max width will be 768 pixel. So what we are trying to do here, from 0 pixel to 768 pixel for all the devices, we want to target the following styles. And the first thing what we have to target, if you remember, for this UL class we have added one particular active class, so that we have to do. So for that, what we can do, we can just simply copy this class here, and we have to write some of the styles. So the first thing what we have to write here, this display will be flex direction will change now, so this will be now column instead of row. Justify content will be center, width will be 100%, and we have to take position as absolute, and I will explain why. Top will be 80 pixel because the height of the navbar is 80 pixel. So to show that content, we have to make it top 80 pixel, so that the overlay or basically the menus will come below 80 pixel. And then we have to take left as minus 110%, and this is important. I'll show you why. And we can take the opacity as 1, and let's take transition as all 0.5 second, and then we'll take the style as ease. And I think that's all. And if I just save the changes and I'll go back, you'll see nothing is coming if I just go below 769. Notice here, see, because we have made that icon as display none. So to make it correct, what we can do, we can just copy all of this and we'll paste it here, and we have to make this display as block. So this will be the first step. And the next thing we have to do, cursor as pointer, and we can take color as the main color. And I think this is done. If I just save the changes and if I go back, I'll see that now we are getting, but on click of that nothing is coming. And the reason is that if I just go here, you'll see that this left is minus 110%. If I just remove this, you'll see that now we are getting that. So that we have to take care. So for that, what we can do, basically we have already added this active class, right? So now we have to target this active class. So I'll just go back, and here inside of this we have to target dot active. That's correct. Now if I just hover here, you'll see that now it is targeting the active class. And now we'll give background as 181818, and we'll also give now left as 0, so it should not be minus 110%. We'll take opacity as 1, and we'll also take Z index as 1, and we'll take transition as all 0.5 second is. And I think now this is done. If I just save all of this and I'll go back, and now you'll see this is coming, right? So now what we have to do, we have to work on this li. We have to give some padding and everything, so that we can do easily. And we have to target this li class. So for that I'll just simply copy this and we'll directly target that. So this will be dot this item. Also you can just simply do like this. So you have to write inside of this menu and you have to target like and hyphen hyphen item, but we can directly also access it. So what we can do, we can just simply give here border bottom as 1px solid, then 282828, and then we can give margin as 0, and we'll give padding as 20 pixel top and bottom, and right and left will be 0px. Let's save the changes and we'll check again, and now you'll see if this looks nice. And I think this is done. So if I just inspect it, let's go to mobile devices, and what we can do, simply we'll just decrease this one, and now you'll see that we are getting this. If I just toggle, and this is working. And that's all about the navbar. I think everything is now completed. If I just check it with our final version, you'll see that this looks nice. Alright, so now that's all about the navbar. Now in the next video we will be starting the home page or the particle.js integration.